And great to see Sebastian Velasquez back in the lineup for Locomotive FC. He'll have first kick for the Locos.
And there his mom gets to see him play.
Finally, 11 years a pro. And an early corner kick for the Irishman, Richie Ryan. Slow roller. Velasquez, just wide. Clipped, brought down, Francois scores! What a way to open your account in the 4th minute of play. Richie Ryan slow rolls one. Seba, that's denied by Nicopolitis. Richie Ryan bends into that. Velasquez, Hines, and it's Aaron Gomez off to the races. Aaron Gomez makes a move, looking for someone to send it to. Calvillo, it's 2-0. You talk about teamwork. Aaron Gomez elects not to go for glory, and it makes all the difference.
Leader on this team, knowing exactly that he's going to have help.
Right side, all the way through, looking for Andrew Fox, who's in the box. Couldn't make anything of it that time. But here's Velasquez, who it looked like he was waiting for that pass. Velasquez again, pulls it back, it's 3-0. Hines. Locomotive is eating. Foot for his second goal.
Well finished, just beats the keeper on that.
On the squad, as it's bounced in again, it's 4-0. Eric Calvillo with a brace. Sidesteps one man. Of 3 matches in a week. It's about the 3rd or 4th time that's happened this season. What's coming up in load management is going to be a key.
Oh, yeah.
You wonder why Richie Ryan's off at half. That's probably a big reason why. Big pass to Lucho. Lucho across. It's a goal for Aaron Gomez.
Can you tell those two have played together before? No.
It's 5-0. Dropping to his right, knew he wanted to go back to the keeper's left. Picture perfect. Side netting. We've played the 94. How much longer can we go? That's it. 5-0. Locomotive FC equaling its largest output ever